My name is Laura. I highly recommend Rudy, Kusuma. Fantastic real estate agency. I came here by finding them online with your home sold guarantee, Realty. And it brought me to this gentleman. His name is Edward. He's been fantastic. The reason why I wanted to sell my house is because it went through a fire, and with that transition, I needed to move forward. So again, I decided to come here with his fantastic help, him meaning Edward. I was able to make my sale, and he was able to sell my home completely and totally happy with the process from the beginning to the end. He was very proficient with giving me weekly information regarding progress of the sale of my home, with people coming in and out, appointments, what have you. I was never left in the dark, and I was always very informed by him with all the information, either through email, text, or phone call. So there was constant communication. In general, everyone here has been very warm, very welcome, very soothing. If you're questionable about something, or if you just have a silly question, they were able to help you with anything and everything. If there's obviously anything and everything you need from them, just call them and you'll find all their information online. Would I recommend this place? Absolutely, 1000% yes. And out there, I'm telling you, these people will not only sell your house, but they will help find your dream house also. Thank you.